Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we dive into one of the most important topics for the success of artificial intelligence and advanced analytics in the industry: data collection and data quality. If you've ever tried to implement a predictive maintenance or advanced analytics strategy without the right data, you'll know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, in this video you'll learn how to ensure that the data you collect is the right data, and most importantly, that it's quality data. Because, as I always say, without quality data, there are no smart decisions. Let's dig deeper. In predictive maintenance, it all starts with data. From machine temperature and vibration to operating times and environmental conditions, data is the fuel that feeds artificial intelligence algorithms. But if the data you collect is not accurate, complete, or reliable, the predictive models simply won't work. It's like building a house on sand. Without a solid foundation, the whole thing falls apart. That is why data quality is critical. A predictive maintenance system can only be as good as the data that feeds it. In this video, we'll look at how making sure the data you collect can lead you to make better decisions. First, let's talk about data sources. In an industrial plant, data comes from a variety of sources. IoT sensors, they measure parameters such as temperature, vibration, pressure, and more. They are essential for monitoring the status of your equipment in real time. SCADA systems monitor and control industrial processes, collecting real-time data to analyze equipment performance. CMMS, computerized maintenance management systems, they store maintenance histories, downtime, and work orders. Enterprise resource planning systems provide information on costs, inventories, and logistics related to maintenance. These systems generate large amounts of data every day, but not all data is useful. This is where the right selection of relevant data comes into play. Now, the key question: how do you ensure that the data you collect is of high quality? For this, we need to consider several fundamental aspects. Accuracy. The data must be correct and accurately reflect what is happening in the equipment. Improperly calibrated or damaged sensors may generate erroneous data. Complete sets. Make sure that important data are not missing. If a sensor is disconnected or stops working, the data set will be incomplete, and predictive models may fail. Consistency. Data from different sources must be compatible. This implies having a standard format for data from each sensor or system. Timeliness. Data should be available in real time, or as close as possible to the time it is generated, so that decisions can be made in a timely manner. Validity. Data should be within expected ranges and reliable. If you have data that appear anomalous or out of range, there is likely to be a problem that needs to be corrected. An effective strategy includes checking mechanisms to detect and correct errors before the data reaches your analysis models. This allows you to maintain data integrity and therefore obtain reliable predictions. To collect data efficiently, you need to have a clear strategy. This includes choosing the right type of sensors and monitoring systems. Here are some key tips. Select the right sensors. Not all sensors are the same. Choose the ones that best suit the needs of your equipment, and make sure they are properly installed and maintained. Automate data collection. Whenever possible, automate the data capture process to minimize human error. Determine the sampling frequency. Decide how often you need to capture data. This may depend on the type of equipment and its criticality. Centralize information. Use platforms that can integrate and unify all collected data so that it is available in one place. Automated and centralized collection not only reduces the risk of errors, but also allows you to have access to information in real time so that you can react quickly to any anomalies. Let's look at a practical example. A company in the manufacturing sector was having recurring problems with its predictive maintenance. Models were failing, and they kept facing unplanned downtime. The problem was data quality. Poorly calibrated sensors and incomplete data. Once these problems were fixed, the company improved its accuracy by 30% in predicting failures, drastically reducing downtime and maintenance costs. As you have seen, data collection and data quality are crucial to the success of predictive maintenance and artificial intelligence in industry. If you want to know how to implement these strategies in your company, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'd be happy to help you optimize data management and improve operational efficiency in your business. Thank you for joining me for this session on data collection and data quality. In the next video, we'll explore advanced analytics techniques that can transform your data into valuable insights for smarter decision-making. Don't miss it. See you in the next video.